what kind of husband he is?
Yeah, I really would like to say that online. Honestly, it's been very cold, more colder.
It's cold more than Canada?
Yes.
More. What's your perception about poetry?
I love poetry. Pakistani people is very loving, very caring. I love them.
Would you like to tell me about his behavior? What kind of person he is? He's loving or caring. You come from Canada, all the way from Canada. So, would you like to tell my audience what kind of husband he is?
Yeah, I really would like to say that online, honestly. But he's a loving husband.
He's a loving husband.
He's a loving husband.
So, Mary, for my audience, please just tell me about my hometown. Right now you are sitting. So, is it similar to your hometown in Canada?
Not in Canada, but in Trinidad.
Yeah.
Trinidad, we have places like this. We call Fort George Hill or Lady Young Road, and it's amazing. But here it's very beautiful. I love it. It's amazing.
Would you like to tell me what's your perception about poetry?
I love poetry.
Really?
But I love poetry with meaning. You have to have a love feeling. When you make a poetry, it must be a love feeling. It's for you.
I would like to speak loud because we don't have collar mic right now. So
I don't know how to speak loud.
Yeah, don't need to.
I love poetry, but loving poetry with meanings, right? All right, you love somebody, you put out a beautiful poetry with love meanings, that they feel it from their heart. Now, if somebody die, you make a poetry to that person of how they were and what happened now. So the feelings from that person that died, you know in your heart how you feel about it. So those type of poetries is very beautiful.
Mary, how you find Mr. Amir Siddique, Noor? It's my name, you know? Do you know?
Okay.
So, what you find, what kind of poet I am? By my look, do you feel I'm a broken heart poet?
No, you don't look so. You honestly don't look so.
Really?
You look like, because you love your work, it shows in you that that's you. You love poetry.
My last thing is that your message for my audience, because some people are following on my social accounts. So, what would you like to say to my audience?
Well, to your audience, I come and I meet you now. I now know you. You are a very kind-hearted person, friendly.
It's your love.
And I appreciate you having me here. So I think your audience should love you, because I haven't heard any of your poem yet. But probably my husband know your poem, right? But I will look into it from now onwards, because it would inspire me. I wouldn't understand your...
Yeah, I will translate for you. I have another question. Yeah, I will translate for you. How you found Pakistani peoples? You just met my two cousins in my village, and what's about the hospitality of Pakistani peoples?
Beautiful.
Because you have been here from there for last 3 months.
Pakistani people is very loving, very caring. I love them. They are my heart, because everywhere I go, I meet somebody. And they treat me with respect.
So and in Canada, have not like that, anything like that.
No, because
what's about Canadian? Canadians are not loving or
they probably, but you don't really meet people. Your loving is with your family there.
Yeah.
You have family there, you go to their house, they come to your house. But to say, walk the street and somebody meet you in the mall, they watch you. Like, who is you?
Who is you?
How you found lifestyle here, like circumstances, weather condition, all that.
It's beautiful. Oh, no, it's very cold. It's been very cold. More cold.
It's cold more than Canada?
Yes.
More than Canada.
Where we live in there in Gujarat, it is reason. Here is not cold.
But I have come to know that by Canada there is too much cold in Canada.
I don't think it's as much as cold as where we are.
Oh, where
we are is cold, because I had to sleep with socks and
ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਠੰਡ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ
ਠੰਡ ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਠੰਡ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੀ ਠੰਡ ਸਹਤ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਗਰਮੀ ਸਖਤ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਗਰਮੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਗਰਮੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ, ਉਹ ਗਰਮੀ ਚੁਭਦੀ ਹੈ।
Canada cool. When snow falling, it's not that cool. You could walk and go anywhere, right? And ramp in the snow and whatever. But when snow stop, it freeze. You're cold. But over here coolness, because I didn't walk with warm clothes.
You know, you are very viral in Pakistan. There is a social channel, Urdu Point. They come to you and they conduct your interview.
Yes.
So when you go for shopping malls and like restaurants, do you feel the reaction of Pakistani people?
Yes, because everywhere we go, people approach us.
Yeah.
But I don't understand.
They recognize
very
you.
friendly
Yeah,
and nice.
yeah.
Very friendly and nice. He does have to talk for me. Because when they come and they talk in Urdu, I don't understand. But I say Salam Alaikum to everyone. You know.
He has very good humor and he can communicate.
Yes.
I know him very well.
Very good for that. He's good at that. He knows very well how to do that.
So bro, it's just turning into the interview. Hold on. Don't need to worry about I'm consuming much time now. So just last question, Mary.
कितने का लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं?
ये खत्म कर रहे हैं अपना नईम साहब. So Mary, thank you very much for coming. So
I enjoy.
Yeah.
And it's nice meeting you.
I will call you whenever you guys will be free. I will call to Naeem. He will come here.
Just keep in contact.
You are my guest in throughout the AJK anytime. Okay. Now we'll visit the whole AJK, like hilly areas. Okay. So,
and send me poems.
Yeah, I will send you. And you are very kind lady, and it's an honor you are here. Thank you very much. Big respect.